Good morning friends, this is Bhavna Verma. I am a teacher by choice and entrepreneur by profession, by passion as well. So here I am going to share a very beautiful, a very unique business opportunity, that is a zero investment business opportunity. Now you must be thinking how a zero investment business can fetch you a very great income of 5,000 to 50,000 of per month income. So let's see how it is possible. I am building this business along with my teaching profession by using my extra time productively. So let's manage our time, let's use our time productively and make an extra, a passive source of income. How it is possible? Let's see. Usually as a consumers, we all are consumers, right? May it be a small child, may it be a old person. So here we are consumers, and generally from where does we purchase our products? Our needs, our home needs, our personal needs. We go to the retailers. Generally in traditional markets, this is the structure wherein we go to the retailers. But where from the retailers get those products? They get it from wholesalers. Wholesalers get these products from distributors. Distributors get these products from C&F agents, and C&F agents directly collect the products from the manufacturer. So here in this picture, two most important people, two most important entities are there, that is the manufacturer and the customer, a consumer. But in case if any of these are not there, are absent, is there any sense of this supply chain? No, the most important entities of a business is the manufacturer and the customer. So here, for example, if we purchase any product for rupees 100 in the market, do you think what is its manufacturing cost? It will be almost up to 40 rupees only, right? We all know this. By the time it reaches our hands, it becomes 100 rupees. Why? Because we don't have any facility or any opportunity to purchase these products from the manufacturers. That's why there is a supply chain system between a manufacturer and a consumer, wherein the C&F agent, distributors, wholesalers and retailers are supplying and providing these services to us. They are not doing anything wrong, they are also doing their own work, they are investing their time and they are making their livelihood. But here what happens is, the difference of this manufacturing cost and this, it comes to 60 rupees or 60% of the product cost. So this is distributed among all these middlemen, and the major part of it is contributed to advertisements. This is the humongous industry wherein lots and crores of rupees are invested to make the consumer aware about the new product in the market. Like how the celebrities come on screen, Kareena Kapoor, Sachin Tendulkar, Mr. Dhoni. Yes, there are many celebrities who are making their passive income source through advertisements, right? So here there is a company, this 60 rupees is paid from the pocket of consumer, not the manufacturer. But here we have a very unique business wherein the manufacturer company is Vestige. This is a direct selling company. The name itself says it is directly selling the goods and services to consumers. Yes. So here there is no supply chain concept, and this 60% of cost which is getting distributed among these middlemen is given back to the consumer by the company. So how would you find it to get a very cashback or income source through your expenses? It's wonderful. So let's see how it works. We all are consumers and we purchase our products from any shop nearby. It could be a D-Mart supermarket, or it could be a Kirana shop, it could be a FMCG store, right? So here generally in traditional market, what happens? So here in we are just giving doing a small comparison between a market shop and Vestige shop. So here in the market, what happens is, are we getting any discounts? Yes, are we getting any discounts? Hardly on Diwali season, Dussehra season or Ramzan season. Apart from that, no discounts. But here in Vestige, 365 days, 24/7, we are getting 5 to 11% of discount. Not even that, more than that, I should say 10 to 15% of discount we are getting on each product here. And do we get any cashbacks? Yes, do we get any cashback facility in our traditional market? We have been purchasing from our nearby store or a supermarket, but anybody is having that attention towards you to give you a cashback? No, but here we are getting 5 to 11% of cashback also. Usually we are a regular customer of a shop, of a supermarket, of a departmental store, but do we get free products even on the lowest invoice? No. So here we are getting free products. Yeah, free products, sorry. Yeah, so here we are not getting any free products, but even if we are purchasing up to 800 to 900 rupees, whatever is the volume of our invoice, we are getting 10% free products from Vestige shop. Moreover, we are regular customers of our nearby shops. Have we ever got any special benefit like consistency offers, loyal consumers offers? No, we are giving business to them, but what are we getting in return? Nothing. So here we have CNC, Loyal Consumer Program. A household in general, a family budget, a household budget, monthly budget could range from 2,000 to 50,000 rupees. So to take on the lowest side, I would take an example of rupees 3,000. So if someone is doing the purchases of rupees 3,000, that is 100 PV per month, continuously for 4 months. If we are making the purchases continuously for 4 months, 5th month we are getting 2,500 rupees of product voucher free. We can purchase 2,500 rupees of product for free in 5th month. So how that would be if your purchases are giving you back? Wonderful. And even if some families wherein there are very less members or any bachelors, don't worry about that. Even if we are making the purchases of 2,000 rupees per month consistently, continuously for 4 months, right? So here we are getting 1,250 rupees product voucher free. So we can get 1,250 rupees worth products for free in 5th month. So, and what about the products? You must be thinking, if there are so many facilities, what could be the product's quality? If we purchase a product in our traditional market, is there any scope for us to return it if the product is not of good condition or of good quality? No, we don't have any such benefit or any such facility. But here, even if we are using the product up to 30%, and if we are not liking it, we can return it back, return it to the company, and there is 100% customer satisfaction Vestige works on 100% customer satisfaction, wherein it looks into the customer's interests, and if the product is returned within 30 days, even after using 30% of it, the complete refund is given back to the consumer excluding GST. So how that would be, my dear friends? Wherein, which shop would you prefer, if wherein you are getting no benefits and wherein you are getting so many benefits? How that would be? Now we are consumers, we are smart enough to decide which shop we would prefer. And there is a saying, a very old saying, sharing is caring. Obviously, whatever good happens to us, whatever bad incidents happen to us, something that we like, we keep recommending our friends, we keep referring our friend. For example, we like Google Pay, we do Google Pay transactions online. What happens? We can suggest our friends, we do suggest our friends that it is the very most easy way of online transactions, banking transactions. So what are we doing here? We are recommending here, we are referring. It is a word of mouth publicity. We even recommend people to watch TV soaps which we like the most, right? So here, as we are changing the shop and we are getting almost, if we calculate these benefits, this comes to minimum of 45% of benefit to us just as consumers. So now when we have changed our shop and we are referring it to the people, so what are its benefits? Let's see. So here, for example, we referred few people, and for example some 10 families are ready to change their shop as per our recommendation, and they are purchasing their home needs just for 3,000 rupees. What happens here? It gives a turnover of 30,000 rupees to the company just through our reference. And even if I take 10% of it, 3,000 lands up to your pocket as a benefit. How that would be? Great. Now what happens? These 10 families, as sharing is caring, we have this human nature. These people are also referring so many people, each person is referring so many people, and for example, every person was able to help 10 people to change their shop, and these becomes 100, 10 into 10 comes to 100, and these 100 families again makes their purchases, their home needs of rupees just 3,000. So it comes to 3 lakh rupees of turnover just through your reference, just through our reference. And even if I take 10% of this, comes to 30,000 rupees. How it would be if you are just helping people to change their shop, getting maximum benefit as a consumer, and you are getting 30,000 rupees of income per month. Great. Now again, these 100 families will also not keep quiet, right? Now again, these people will share, and every person has recommended 10 people. So here 30 lakh rupees of turnover is happening just because of a benefit, and here it comes to 3 lakh rupees. Even if I take the 10% of it, so it comes to 3 lakh rupees of income per month. How that would be if you have 3 lakh rupees income per month? So this is the business model that we are going to do. Can you think once, like, have you taken a soap and went door to door to sell that soap? No, we are just giving this beneficial model to the people and helping them to take the maximum benefit out of it. So here, are we investing something? Are we investing a huge manufacturing unit? Are we recruiting staff or something? Nothing. We are not going door to door and selling the products. So this is how this business model works. So here is my number. You can call me on my number or WhatsApp through my number, and people who has shared this video, you can please contact with them and get started. Wish you all the very best, wish you wealth and take care.